how to play multiplayer or repo. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also playing this game and you want to play this game as a multiplayer, then here's what you need to do. So first, when you open this game, you just have to tap on this host a game, or you can also join a game if you already have a server. So just simply host a game for now and just click on a yes. It will take you to this screen where you just have to click on this new game or repo. So you can also tap on this new game and it will ask you to enter yes. Simply select yes and wait for a few seconds until the game loads. And finally, when you are inside your lobby, you can see there is an invite option to invite your friend and simply tap on this invite option, so it will take you to Steam, and you can simply find or locate your friends from over here. And under your friends section, you can simply right click on it and you can see the option called invite to game. So you can basically select that invite to game option and they will successfully be added to your repo as a multiplayer friend, and you can start playing multiplayer on repo. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.